There's one in that
The
smoke.
smoke made it worse for you.
I know.
I think he can defuse. I don't think the last guy's... Yeah.
I don't have a kit. I'm dead.
Rip.
That was over.
Me, I thought you were shooting him.
Anybody want an AK, by the way?
I went ballistic with
Yeah.
I'll throw the AK on the ground.
You can make me
keep
run for
your
it.
AK, Jordan.
Huh?
Make me run for it.
You can keep your AK, Jordan. I gave mine to Rohi.
Oh, okay, you keep it, Herb.
I already bought an SSG.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
You might want the. You might want the.
Pick it up!
Nah.
Okay, whatever. I'm throwing my gun away. I'm picking up the AK.
Let me know if someone. I can't really watch anything else. So.
I thought you would always be
I'm just gonna play time as well.
Mine.
I'm watching Double Doors.
When I was 15.
I know you love me. I know you care.
Let's... Go for the defuse, baby.
He didn't get me. Your cut was too shallow.
The ninja defuse, but outside of the smoke.
I thought he saw you. He was right.
Yeah, that's one. He's lit, but I am on the
might be
side.
on 8, huh? Oh,
There
this
is one
fucked. Oh,
on
well.
secret, but
Well, it's fucked anyways. I'm not killing anybody here. I'm just gonna say it. The optics ain't good for me. I'm just gonna go up here. I'm gonna sicko a few right clicks.
what the fuck?
Okay. Kill him!
Yeah,
I had to reload!
kill him.
Good try, good
My
try.
fucking stream's delayed! Come on! Stream's delayed!
They know we're here. They're pushing behind us.
Oh, it's okay. I'm watching
Yeah.
your flank.
Oh, he didn't push.
I'm going B.
You like that, Red?
Yeah.
There could be one going above you too.
Gaming.
Motherfucker. It's the second I look away.
You look back, he's there. I like how he died in the exact same spot in the same ragdoll.
I got flashed.
Together now. Together now. He's there. He's around the right. Oh, come on, Jeff. That's not
What?
you. That's not you. I'm sorry.
I have a shotgun, so I'm not very useful right now, Jeff. Good.
Going up on M, one shot with the XM,
Holy shit, Rohi.
Just
Long
live,
range
just live.
shotgunner.
Yeah, I'm living. I'm living.
I'm flashing, where he is.
On fight.
Shit.
He's backside of
I'm
sight.
pushing,
Corner
I'm
at your
pushing.
side.
Backside. Backside.
On left.
Yeah, I'm gonna nade him. Oh,
Nice.
doesn't even matter.
Rohi, my lord.
Rohi with the 3 kills with the fucking Nova. I'm
Well,
not gonna be
they're
very
all low.
useful this round,
Right.
Jeff. I just have a shotgun. Damn.
On Truckee.
Do it. Yes!
Peek.
Good shit, boys. Good shit, boys.
I was about to say I'm a shit boy, but I have no reason to say that. It was just like an instantaneous reaction, like I have to say this.
Yeah, you can say it.
No, I'm not gonna.
Say it after like 20 seconds.
Once
That's
it's
the perfect
cooled
time to say
down,
it.
the shit's all cold now. I just about stabbed you in the bum.
What's up on baddest gun? Yeah. Nah, sorry, my friend asked for it first.
Those were
I'll
some
be a
good
nice
noises.
guy.
I might buy you one up. Next round,
I
of
already got
course.
him out.
I'm just gonna start fragging motherfuckers, bro. Guess that's the only move right here. Factual lorb. Wait. Fresh.
Yours.
Factual lorb.
He doesn't have a kit.
No, he didn't have it.
Oh, we won.
That was a close one. That was the final round too. What a finisher.
The
Yeah.
backup plan. The fuck are they trying to say? It means he didn't do anything of note. Bro, 10 and 13?
I like to say that whenever it's raining and I don't have an umbrella. Someone's like, "Oh, you don't have an umbrella?" I'm like, "Skin's waterproof." And I
You
just,
call yourself watertight?
well, I'm not.
I'm just gonna imagine somebody would think you're about to go outside while it's raining. It's like, oh,
Jeffy cut out. I just heard, "Oh."
I'll be honest, I was not doing a whole lot that game, but I had a good time.
H, you want to join us?
I've been trying. Oh, hey! I'm
Oh.
getting in.
Let's
Yippee!
fucking go.
Oh, you're gonna be on my team.
Not if I can stop him.
Alright, Gage, you're gonna be on the enemy team.
Sick.
Oh, I died. You. Ah! Dude.
I can't believe you'd peek a medic.
It kind of was, bro. It was just one scout, a medic, and a soldier, and they took everything. And they're still over there!
Okay, let's do this.
Oh, they use.
I'm getting stabbed.
Get back here!
This sucks. Well, I missed every shot. There's a fucking gun back there! Those cowards popped Uber. I wish you would have popped sooner. That way I could have just
I didn't
one-shot the
have.
medic with a first shot. Oh, you had 100%
I was
for a
at
second,
95.
too, I thought. Maybe
Oh my
I'm
God.
misremembering.
You guys are going insane. This heavy can't
The
stand it.
Uber chain? Oh.
Dude, that's like infinite. Gage, what the hell? Gage! Holy shit!
Gotcha down, buddy.
Base jumper.
It's kind of weird. A strange weapon.
I came close to my record for kill assists as percent S1 that round. This might be it, Jeff. Okay.
alright.
Had a bit of baby rage, it's okay.
I was wondering what you meant by this might be it, like, yeah.
Here, jump us across the map. Let's go do some stupid shit.
Hang on, there's a spine medic.
Got
There
him.
you go. Jump you across the map.
Yeah,
alright.
you ready?
Hang on, let me reload.
Use, please. Please use the clips, please.
I'm in the back line. Oh, you were too sweet. Oh god, we're doing this, aren't we?
Yeah.
We had to scare him off. Surely you understand.
Don't worry, our team may not be able to push. What? How are you here? Oh shit, they already know. I'm going deep. This guy dies.
It's not an Uber, but it's just as good.
No, I'm stuck!
I'm an open and spirit alone.
Ready, Jeff?
Hmm?
Run up and
What
melee
is-
them with the Uber.
Oh, okay.
You should have ever used the fucking pause. No.
No!
The really grassy looking version of it.
I carpet bombed him.
Why did that work so well?
It always works. Nobody ever expects a skybox demo man carpet bombing everybody,
That was wonderful.
right? It's just so succinct. Whoa, the Uber dropping heavy. I was like
Yes.
behind your spawn.
Yes, I saw that, and I was very mad about it. I think I piped you.
Did
and
you
then...
right in Gerardia's spine?
Yep. He died.
Wow.
Oh crap!
Oh, crushed.
Oh my god, dude.
Bruh.
Hi, Jeff.
There
Thanks
was
for the
a
50%. There's always a
I was
sentry
try-
down there, Jeff.
I was trying to like Pythagorean theorem my fucking pipes onto a sentry that was like a mile away.
Oh. I was really hoping I could sneak a
Are you
shot on the
Gorb?
medic.
You're kidding me!
Yeah, you
I
like
would
that?
have lived that fucking rocket if you. Oh lordy!
I lived on one.
Oh lord.
This was not a coordinated Uber push. It just happened that way.
Oh damn.
Yeah, 3 medics are better than 1.
Bruh. Yes, follow our demo.
Ah, fuck.
Soldier on you.
Yeah, I've got to figure out. I don't have ammo.
Oh my god.
That's a pyro behind us.
Bro, overhealed medics hurt me emotionally. I'm kind of going on a fucking rampage on sniper right now. Why is there sniper or a medic all the way up here? What are you doing? How
Killing
did you
2
sneak past my
snipers.
team? How the hell did you get past my team like that?
Dude, my team is
How did
just.
you walk
I'm
off?
very pleased with my performance.
How did you get there?
I walked.
Unbothered.